Hello everyone, welcome to How To Videos. In this video, I will show you a demonstration on how to install a page as an application using Google Chrome and pin that application to the taskbar. First, let's discuss about how to install a page as an app. So in order to install a page as an app in Google Chrome desktop application, just click on these three dots and then go to save and share. Cast, save and share, and then go to install page as an app. You click on this option, and then you can change this name to whatever you like, and then hit install. For my case, I want to keep it as such, so I will just hit install. The page has been installed as an application and is opened in a new window. And now you can pin this application to the taskbar just by right click on this, by doing a right click on this one and hit pin to taskbar. The app has been installed and pinned to the taskbar by now. Now, the advantage of using pin to taskbar was that I can just close this window and open it again just by one click on this icon. Thanks for watching.